Hey there, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you an easy way to enable the Steam FPS Overlay in any game that you run from the Steam platform. So make sure you have the following: a Steam account, the Steam application downloaded and installed on your computer, and of course, a bunch of games to run in order to actually use the overlay and track FPS with. So the first thing you want to do is to access the settings option or the settings menu from Steam itself. Do this by clicking on Steam on the upper left corner and then clicking on Settings. Once you have the settings menu opened up, you can scroll down on the left-hand side until you see the option to go to the in-game settings. From there, you can see the options to enable or disable the in-game FPS counter. You also have the option to enable the in-game FPS counter with a high contrast color in case you really want to see what your frames per second are in the video game that you're currently playing. A nice feature I like when you're enabling this in-game FPS counter is the option to choose where you wish this counter to be displayed. Now, with that FPS counter enabled, go ahead and run any Steam game of your choice. And as you can see, we now have an in-game FPS counter displayed on the area that we chose. Now, if you wish to go to these settings while you're in-game, you can access the Steam overlay settings by pressing Shift-Tab on your keyboard. Then, with the overlay open, on the lower right corner, click on Settings in order to access the Steam settings while you're in-game. This way, you can enable or disable the in-game FPS counter without having to exit your game. And that's really all there is to enabling the Steam in-game FPS counter on Steam itself. Thanks so much for watching, and if you have any questions, comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more content like this one. See you all in the next one.